Cute little flock there, guys. Um, Obviously, I'm filming them, and I've only been very quiet because I'm scared I'm going to spook them. I'm not exactly quite sure what they are. They look like little doves, or um, I'm not quite sure exactly what the names of these are. But that one's just a little baby just there. So cute that is. I'm filming from inside the house against the screen. So, and I'm zoomed in as much as I can to get these little birds here. They spook easily. If I open the door, they're just going to fly away. But there was quite a few out there. Well, there was. But look at this little one. This cute little one just chilling there. Isn't that adorable? It's so cute. Just sitting there having a rest. It looks different to the other two. It's got different markings on the side of its neck. It looks like spots or something. Like I said, guys, unfortunately I can't zoom in anymore. And I'm just lucky that my voice isn't spooking them. I'm about 4 meters away from that little one. The other ones are up there still pecking away at, well, the ground is very soft, so the worms and bugs will be coming to the top because it has just rained. That's what happens. Yeah, a little nature lesson for the day. Yeah. And there's that pole that Alice likes to sit on. I don't know if you just heard behind me the sounds of, you might hear it, the sounds of, it sounds like seeds falling on the ground. Well, it's actually seeds falling on the ground, because what Dolly does, and other birds like to do, she likes to look for her favourite seeds, which can be at the bottom, and she'll flick out the other seeds onto the floor, so we've got to sweep them up. They've got no pill on them or anything. Most of them are just seeds that she's flicked out with her beak. I was about to say nose. And yeah, oh, look at this one here. This one's gone, hold on. I can hear a voice. I bet that's mum and that's baby. Betcha. Mum, you're looking over baby. Well, this one over here's sitting down too, getting comfy. Okay. So this is called the chilling spot for the birds. That's lovely. I love how this one's just sitting there, just chilling. And I'm speaking kind of normally now, and I haven't spooked them, so surely they'd be able to hear me. They probably hear me all the time, like just in the house, and they're used to this voice, so they're going, oh, here she goes, rabbit on, rabbit, da 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 da. Look at this cute little one still, just sitting there. Oh, what's it going to do? Oh, it's got more cover. Oh, look how it's got the little black on the back of its neck there. Little black spots. So sweet. Obviously, I've got old palm leaves that have fallen off the tree. The lawnmower man's... that's a magpie, that sound. Lawnmower man's meant to sort those palm leaves out for me. You see that there? Well, he hasn't, obviously. So, well, the bird's happy. This is a long video, but, I don't know, yeah. There are bird lovers, and I love birds. I'm fascinated with our little owl that's come to visit 3 nights in a row. It's appeared. It did last night, but as I grabbed the phone and sort of opened the door and that, it had flown away. But at least I know where it's coming to. I've seen it fly downwards, so I'm speculating. Okay, I'll show you. So it was there, and then it flew downwards, and I'm thinking maybe under this bushy tree here. See, it's quite a bushy, lovely tree where a bird would love to have a nest underneath, in amongst that. It's actually a very special tree. I'll tell you a story. When Chad, our Labrador, well, my son's Labrador, decided to go, he needed to go to heaven, he went under that tree. Up against it, there's rocks there, you can see, and that tree actually went down and covered him, so you could not see him at all. He was tan coloured, and he didn't have one bug on him. Really amazing. Oh, hear that sound? Hear that? That's Dolly. So I've just put some fresh seed in a bowl. It's her flicking out the ones she doesn't want, or not so much the ones she doesn't want, but she's looking for a particular seed. She's fussy. Okay, where's our little birdies? And she'll flick those seeds out on the floor. Well, they're obviously ending up on the ground. We've got vinyl, it's not carpet, so that's okay. And they don't have poo on them or anything, they're just seeds she's flicking out. Where's our little, there's our little birdie, still sitting there. What's his friends doing? And, okay, so there's our birdie. There's another one over here, chilling. That one's still having a little peck of the palm leaf, or the ground. Oh, there's little miss. Little Miss Dolly. So what I'll do with Dolly is I'll refill her little, oh, there's one over there. I knew there was another one somewhere. I'll refill her little bowl so she can flick more seeds out. I don't ever pick them up and give them back to her because, you know, they've been on the floor. I just sweep them up and pop them in the bin. But yeah, I'll refill her seed bowl and put the TV volume up for her because her mum should be awake any moment now, and that's when Dolly's fun starts. Because I'm just boring old Nanny. Mind you, we have great conversations, but yeah. And Dolly's gonna have some outside time. Hopefully I'm awake early, guys, and well, actually we'll just make it happen. She can have outside time at night when I wake up. No big deal. I suppose she's not going to notice the difference too much. Yeah. Alright, we'll say bye-bye to our little birds. I'll look them up and see what they are. There's some sort of, I don't want to say the word dove, but they could be little doves, or where is that cute little version of dove? There it is. Yeah, sorry, like I said, I'm going through the screen window. That's why it's like that. Oh, there you go. There's mates. Oh, yeah, they wandered off over there in the corner more. So they're having a good old time there. I'm not going to go outside and disturb them. Especially this cute little one who's having the greatest time just chilling. So I'm going to look that up. Oh look, it's just got up. See how it's got the dark on the back of its neck like that and little spots? Yeah. Isn't that pretty? Look how cute. Aw. Well, it could be some rare bird, who knows? We get so much beautiful wildlife here, you know. And while we're here, you can see it's a bit of a gloomy old day. It has been raining. There's not much to see up there, really. But the birds are back over there. Oh, Dolly's having a chat. Hello, Dolly, pretty girl. How are you? You okay? I always ask her if she's okay. It's funny she hasn't picked that up. You okay, Dolly? What you doing? That's another thing I say. So I mean, we have little conversations. Sometimes she'll answer me in her special way. I wonder if those birds are gonna. Okay, off they go. Yeah, because the winds blew up, came up, and they went over there. I just saw where they went. They went up over there, some beyond yonder va. That's where they went. Okay, well Dolly's had a g'day and she's had a little squawk, so best I pay some attention to her. She's wondering, probably, look, it's raining. She's probably wondering why. Oops, there's another one. I'm not talking to her directly, and I'm behind her. Yeah. Alright guys, have a good one. This is a long one, so, you know, skip through if you must. If you got to the end, good on ya. And if not, it doesn't matter. Love you all, and have a great one. And I'm off to talk with Dolly for a while. Okay, see you guys. Happy Sunday. I got it wrong. Earlier I said happy Monday. Yeah, apparently it's Sunday. So happy Sunday, guys. Bye.